on GSFC as well. The revenues in Q4 fell, led by the fertilizer segments. The margins also fell in the fertilizer business, but the chemical segment saw a strong performance. So it was largely a mixed bag. VD Nanavaty, the Senior VP Finance and CFO at GSFC, joins us on the phone line to talk about that. Mr. Nanavaty, thanks for joining us. The fertilizer business has been under quite a bit of pressure. Both revenues and margins are down. You expect that double-digit fall in fertilizers to continue even in the first half of FY18?
No, the financial year 2016-17 was very bad from the fertilizer perspective. The rains were erratic and a lot of imports distorted the market. But we expect to improve the margin and the volume in this current financial year, including first half, on the better rainfall expected.
Well, Mr. Nanavaty, I guess the volume will not be in our hands since much will depend on how the rains come and how the harvest is. But margins, you're going through some debottlenecking, right? So what is your expectation in terms of what you may be able to improve in margins?
Yeah, so as I told that last year, a lot of discounts had to be given. The subsidy was down on DAP, particularly by 27%. MRP was also reduced twice in the year. So all this put together lowered our margin, but we expect better price realization this year, and we don't see so much of discount war. All the imports are already down compared to last year. Okay. So we see better performance.
Okay, Mr. Nanavaty, good morning. So if you could give us some numbers in terms of better performance, because the Met is predicting a normal monsoon this year and a normal distribution as well.
So we made a volume of 15 lakh ton this year. That was same as last year, 15-16 also. We expect 19 to 20 lakh ton to be sold this year.
What about the fall that we've seen in caprolactam prices? I mean, that's fallen substantially. What would the impact be of that on your margins?
No, the full year crude related capro price was also down, but it improved in Q4. But it is also a little bit down from the April. But we expect better price and margin throughout this current financial year in caprolactam.
What's your capacity What was your capacity utilization in the NPK fertilizers, and what do you expect for FY18?
Yeah, particularly in our Sikka, where we make majority of NPK, it was almost 40-50% capacity utilization. But we want to increase it in this current year. So our main increase in volume that we target this year will come from Sikka unit, from NPK production and sales. So it should be 60-70% utilization now.
Okay. Mr. Nanavaty, an update on your micro irrigation business as well. How has that done and how big is it now?
No, micro irrigation, we have a SPV called Gujarat Green Revolution Company that is doing very good, and it has already covered more than maybe 15 lakh hectares under micro irrigation, and every year we are adding 1 to 1.5 lakh hectare under this drip irrigation and micro irrigation program. And in terms of operations, it is a balance sheet size of some 1,500 crore rupees.
Okay. All right, Mr. Nanavaty, thanks for joining us and giving us